Hey guys, it's your girl Christina Abiola and I am here. Okay. It's been a minute since I've dropped a video and I just been busy. I don't know, maybe I should do like a video telling you guys my day. I don't know, but it's crazy. I'm a new mom. I work a 9 to 5. I do social media influencing. I'm getting into a business. It's just so much I gotta do, but I gotta remember my YouTube peoples and I gotta represent for all my chocolate girls out there who may need some beauty advice. So I'm here with some beauty advice. Well, I mean, this is kind of like an option, an extension of our melanin beauty. So today I'm gonna be talking about contact lenses. I just received a package from TTD-EYE. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I received a package from TTD-EYE and they have such beautiful contact lenses. I've honestly stalked their page for a long time and I actually myself wanted to try them. So I got 4 colors to show you guys on chocolate skin because I feel like contact lenses look different on different people. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on chocolate. Okay, melanin. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, so back. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying on, this is the Queen Gray. It does come with a tool. I think I just misplaced mine, but yeah, so it comes in packaging like this. This is the lens and you just gotta careful because there's solution in there. All right, so this is Queen Gray and I'm loving this. Yes, queen, 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 queen. We queens here. Okay, look at that. Like, this is giving me me and this is giving me plus like a little extra. It's a little extra drama and I'm liking that. All right, let me put the other one back in. Okay, so this is like super dramatic. Like, this would be I like it. It looks dope. I would definitely wear this for like a photo shoot, for a makeup look. A lot of people are like, where would you wear color contacts to? Yeah, pretty much anywhere. Like, this is really pretty. I love it. It just gives you a different look, you know. If you're going for a different look, you want to just try something different about your look, definitely a nice choice. I wouldn't wear it to work, but because I work kind of corporate, but this is really pretty. Nice summer day. This is a cute look right here. I'm into it. Now to the next color we have Queen Brown. I'm gonna try these on. Just the same. Just gonna put them on and then come back on the camera for y'all. Okay, so this is my favorite so far. Absolutely love this. This can be an everyday contact. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I love this one. This is my favorite one so far. And this is the Queen Brown. So this one I love a lot. I don't know, it feels the most comfortable for some reason. I don't know, like, not just appearance wise, but just the way it feels. Like, it just feels way more comfortable, but it could just be the way that I put it on. Yeah, it looks so pretty. I love this one. All right, I'm gonna put the other one on and come back. All right, y'all, so I've already messed up all my makeup, but whatever. This side is just so perfect. This one, I don't know, I don't get it. But anyways, these are the lashes. I mean, these are these are the contacts, and I really love these. These are my favorite ones so far. Okay, so I on the tool to put the freaking contact in, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna do the next one. It's Irish Brown Green number 2, so you don't think I'm lying. Okay, so I figured since I actually found the tool that I'll show you guys how it's done. Contact, I love it. I really like it. I love the brown ones. I don't know why I always get grays. Thank God I tried brown this time. I really love this brown. This is pretty. Looks a bit better. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is pretty. I like it. I like it. I like this one a lot. Yeah. So, all right, have one more and we're done. BRB. I'm just gonna put that one straight on because I'm kind of tired of this. Okay, so I did have one more pair, but I wasn't able to put them on because my daughter is home, so I have to go. But I do love these contact lenses. The longest I've had them in was for about 6 hours, and I had them in for that long because I went out and I forgot to bring my lens case, and this is also the case that it comes with, and I forgot to bring this, so I had to leave them on, but they were pretty comfortable for the whole night. Pretty much what I do is at the end of the day, when I'm done, you know, after I take them out the package and I'm done wearing it for the day, I put them in here. And I also use Bio True contact lens, and I just keep them in there. I would say the longest you can keep them, oh no, maybe like, I think it's on the website. I'm gonna look and I'm put it down in the description, but I haven't really kept lenses for that long. I'm not that good with the maintenance, but if you are, then these are the lenses for you, and they're really cute regardless. So if you're trying to, you know, spice up your eyes, spice up the look, definitely try these. And you can also use my discount code, and I will link that down below. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Add any comments, anything you guys want to see from me in the future, and I will try my best to get it for you guys. But yeah, I'm out, gonna go spend time with my baby, and I love you guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, and you know, come back and watch another video later. Bye.